Seco Edge has rules and validations built into the program to help mitigate the amount of questions you get from our order management team. These validations look for options that might need additional details or for lines that have product with options that are not available in the configurations you are looking for. To run these validations, you can do either of the following. The first way is by clicking the green shield to the left of the line number. This will run the validation at the line level. The second way is by clicking the Validate Order button at the bottom left of your order form. This will run the validations for the entire order. Whether you're running the validations at the line level or at the order level, you'll expect one of the following flags to display on the line. The first flag is like what you see here on line 1 with a green circle and white check mark. This indicates that your line is clear. Nothing is needed from you. That line is good to go. The second flag is like what you see here on line 2 with an orange triangle. This is a warning validation, indicating that you've added something to your door or frame that needs additional details. You will notice in addition to the flag that there are options highlighted in orange on the line. These are the areas that prompted the validation. To find out what Edge needs, simply click the validation flag on the line. Edge will prompt you a validation window like this. Please take the time to go through these validations to ensure that the factory has everything needed to successfully send the order to manufacturing. If you've done everything that the validation message window has displayed to you, do not worry about revalidating your line. The orange triangle will remain visible and will not stop you from sending your order in. If you miss providing any extra details that Edge requested in the validation, Seco Order Management will reach out to you. Understand that your order will be placed on hold until the missing details are received. There is one validation, however, that will stop you from sending your order in, and that is like what we see here on line 3 with a red circle. This is a critical validation, indicating that you're ordering something that is outside of what we offer. Just like you saw on line 2, you will click the validation flag, and Edge will prompt you a validation window like this. In this example, you will see that the width is greater than the maximum for the selected door. So let's take a look at this line. What is my width? It's 5 foot wide. What is my selected door? It's Regent. So this door would be considered oversized, which is only offered in our Medallion series. If you are ever unsure about a critical validation and need help, just reach out to your Seco customer service professional and they can help provide solutions to fit your project needs. Once you correct the critical area, you will rerun the validation on the line by clicking the green shield. Once the red circle disappears, you can send the order over, provided that you have reviewed any remaining areas as needed. Seco Edge is proud to offer line validations to help you get as much information to the factory up front with little to no order delays due to missing details. The faster orders are processed, the faster we can manufacture, and the faster we can get it out for delivery. Thank you for using Seco Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.